Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to apply face beauty on CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your CapCut. Now select your picture. Now press on your picture. Now search for retouch. Here is the option of retouch. Press on this. Now click on face. From here, you can apply your beauty for your face. You can smooth your face. You can change your skin tone. You can change your smile lines and set your bright eye. Also, you can remove your dark circles. After doing all of these things, you can export your video. That's it. So this is how to apply face beauty on CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.